If you want to create a Roblox account, I will show you how to do it step by step. First, open the Roblox app. After opening it, you will see two options: Create Account and Sign In. If you want to create a new account, click on Create Account. After that, choose your date of birth. I usually select it randomly. Then, click on Confirm Birthday. After confirming, your date of birth will be added on the next page. Then, in the second box, enter any username you like. As you type, Roblox will show suggestions, and you can choose any available username. After that, you will see two options. If you are female, select this one. I am male, so I select this option. Then, click on Continue. After that, your Roblox account will be created. This is how you can create your Roblox account. If you face any issue, feel free to ask in the comments. We hope this guide helped you. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech content.